If you have watched any of my previous videos, you will know I've always cleaned my wheels with a sponge. But today I'm trying something different. I'll be testing out the Meguiar's angled Supreme wheel brush to see if it can really do a better job than my old sponge. Hi everyone, hope you're all doing okay. Now in a previous video I asked viewers what wheel brush would you recommend. I got quite a few comments come in mentioning the Meguiar's wheel brush. Now I ended up buying this one, the Meguiar's angled Supreme wheel brush. It says it is safe on all wheel finishes and surfaces. It also says it has a thick microfiber pile and that it cleans gently and effectively. So let's open it and I'll give you my first impressions. It certainly feels good and the microfiber pile does feel thick. I'm hoping that this angled handle will help me get right behind the spokes and to the back of the wheel. Well, the microfiber part of the brush does really feel nice and thick and plush really. So I'm hoping it's going to do a good job. And I'm hoping also that this angled handle will help me get the brush through the spokes and then to the back of the wheel so I can get right at the back. That's really what I'm hoping for, because as you know in my previous videos I've used a sponge and I've pushed the sponge through the spokes and then get my fingers in to get the sponge around the back of the wheel, and sometimes you take the skin off your knuckles. So hopefully this is going to do the job. Right, so let's give it a go. This is the wife's car. She only drives it to the shops, hairdressers and nail bar, somehow via a farm. Despite that, it looks like it's just come back from an off-road rally. So I think it deserves a quick wash first. So now I've put the wheel brush to the test. How did it perform against my old method of using a sponge? Well, let's go and have a look. Compared to a sponge, the brush is easier between the spokes and I still have my knuckles intact. Is it streets ahead? No, but it feels more professional and that's probably the point. So what score am I going to give Meguiar's angled wheel brush? Well, I'm going to base my scoring on the following criteria: price, ease of use and result. So based on my criteria, I'm going to give Meguiar's angled wheel brush a solid 8 out of 10. Have you used this wheel brush? What's your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you've got this far, why don't you If you've enjoyed this video, if you can give it a massive thumbs up, that really helps the channel grow. So until the next one, I'll catch you then.